Hi, today we're going to be unboxing my December Tamed Wild box. I used to get the Wild Medicine box, but as I said previously in my last video, they have decided to consolidate their Wild Medicine box and their House of Ritual boxes into one subscription called the Tamed Wild box, and this will be my second unboxing of that box. They're just using up their old boxes, which is good. Don't waste. So let's check it out. Oh wait, it comes in a mailer. This is inside of it. Ooh. It's a crystals guide, which is really cool. And then the descriptors are in here. So here's the crystals. Some ingredients, how to make something. Oh, thank you. Staff at Tamed Wild would like to wish you and your family a beautiful holiday season filled with life, love, laughter, and magic. We are grateful for you and appreciate your support. As a thank you for being a subscriber, we would like to offer you 10% off. Use this code. Okay. Ooh. Cool. Fire. So we got some candles. Looks like citrine or something. Water. It's probably a blue stone, if I had to guess, but I don't have to guess because I'm going to see it momentarily. Ooh, shells. I was wrong. They're shells. Cool. Little abalones. Actually, I'll just leave them out for you to see. A sunstone. Cool. Sunstone, abalones, which represent water, candles for fire. I always love their bags and I keep them. Oh, we've got something to make an elixir. A bottle. It's empty, as you can see. The idea is for me to make this. Okay, let's get this out of here. It says Purify Elixir Kit. Contains rose petals, thyme, nettle, chamomile, boneset, and blackberry leaf. Okay. Earth. Oh man, this is a big crystal. If I had to guess, I would say it's a clear quartz. And it's a big one. Exhale, herbal tea. Cool. Lemongrass, red clover tops, peppermint leaf, nettle, lemon peel, rose hips, and rose petals. They always have really nice teas in their boxes. Honey sticks. Charcoal disc. Air. I'm guessing this is a loose incense. So let's put our goodies here and let's kind of read a little more about this. New Moon Elixir, and there's instructions. Okay, so let's see. Tamed Wild, December 2018. Tamed Wild believes in supporting the body, mind, and spirit throughout each season. When one cycle ends, we express gratitude and release any lingering energy that does not propel us in the direction of our dreams. We've curated this box around purification, release, and new beginnings. We've shared tools to create a new moon elixir that may be ingested to nourish the body or used in ritual to purify and realign the spirit. For this ritual, we will wash away the last energetic traces of 2018 by calling on the four quarters and welcoming their invaluable wisdom. So basically it tells you all about the ritual and how to do it and how to use each of the tools that have been included in here. So first this, you guys can read it all. And then, so the water element is abalone shells, and talks a little bit about them. The earth element here is a vial of herbs. The air element is loose incense. The fire element is candles. Floral tea lights with citrine crystals. Exhale herbal tea, which we talked about over here. New moon elixir kit plus honey sticks. So of course this dropper here, and instructions. Okay, a clear quartz cluster. It clears a person's auras and protects from negative energy. A ritual stone. To learn more about the crystal that was chosen for you, refer to the crystal booklet. So I'm guessing it was a crystal chosen at random, and it was Sunstone for me. And then a crystal booklet. So here's this to look at. Some beautiful parchment, by the way, nice quality paper. And then we'll just, oops, pardon me, look at my crystal in this book. So, Sunstone. Many stones that stimulate the solar plexus may be too strong for some with a weakened third chakra. Sunstone stimulates the solar plexus without allowing the ego to take over. Sunstone encourages goals that are not motivated by selfishness and encourages leadership based on doing good for the whole of humanity. Sunstone is directly related to the divine masculine and carries the regenerative power of the sun, which is pretty appropriate because I am a Leo. So here you have it. This is my Tamed Wild box for December. It's definitely a different direction than my Wild Medicine box, which I had been getting since February until October of 2018. So there is that. I do like it still. It's just a little different than what I had been used to. So it's definitely got more of a ritual aspect as opposed to a medicinal aspect, but I can see both of them influencing this box clearly. So that's my take on Tamed Wild box for December 2018. I have other unboxings of this box if you are interested on my channel. Otherwise, as always, I hope to see you soon, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.